like movies. Old bitch try to
Hi there guys, welcome to DK Tuning. Today we have this crazy car behind us. It is a complete stock Vauxhall VXR Astra J. At the minute we're doing a stage 2 upgrade on it, so that means we're changing the induction kit. We're also doing primary and secondary decat on that. The primary decat looks awful, it's like a crazy S, so that'll be interesting to fit, and then the secondary decat is just a pipe as well. So it's already got some exhaust work done, as you can probably hear in the video coming up, but it's going to sound even crazier once we've done it. We've just applied the map. We've also fitted the induction kit now, and we're just going to put it on the ramp and start doing the decats on it. So it's a nice little package for us, another stage 2 package that's in with DK Tuning. If you want any stage 2 packages doing, drop us a message, drop us a call, and we'll work out a package price for you. It makes sense doing it all together because it makes it a lot cheaper for you guys as well. So we just want to keep your costs down and give you the most fun possible. So this is a really cool little package, and this should be making around about 330, 340 brake horsepower now. Customer's not having it dynoed at the moment. It'll be coming back for some dyno work, but yeah, so that's a nice little package for these, as they're 280 brake horsepower stock. So please like and subscribe to our channel, and I hope you've enjoyed the video, and follow us for some more cool videos that are coming up. Thanks guys, bye.